Tuesday with Stefan.
How's it going, guys? Stefan here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to screen record on your Mac iOS. This is very cool application that you have in your Mac iOS device. This is built in, so you don't need to download. It's very simple. Let me show you how to screen record on your Mac iOS. So basically, look for the QuickTime player. This is built in already on your computer. If it's not here, check it on the Launchpad. So basically, Launchpad is all your applications. And now how to screen record on your device, which is very, very simple. So basically, click once on the QuickTime player, as you can see. And now on the right side, go to File. And now we have new movie recording, audio recording, and screen recording. And now click on the screen recording. And now as you can see, you can screen record entire screen if you want, or portion of the screen. So if you want to screen, let's say, just this bit here, you can do that. If you drag, as you can see here, you can do that as well, but I'm gonna show you, actually I'm gonna screen record the entire screen. And something very important to show you is go to options, and as you can see here, make sure that this is on, built-in microphone. So now when you screen record, your voice will be captured as well. If you don't want your voice to be captured, just do none. This is very important. So now I'm going to press record. And now this is a test, this is a test, this is a screen recording on your Mac iOS. This is a test, this is a test, this is a test. Okay, so now it's recording. And now if you go on the right side, if you press here, we'll stop recording. Voila. And this is your clip that you done just 10 seconds ago. Let me play it for you. The test, this is screen recording on your Mac iOS. This is a test, this is a test, this is a test. Okay, so now it's recording. And now if you go on the right side, if you press here, we'll stop recording. Perfect. As you can see, this is very simple, very easy. It's built in on your Mac iOS. The reason I'm recording with my phone is to show you step by step what to do. So just play with, do some recordings to see how easy it is. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Here we have it. So you have a screen recording on your Mac iOS. My name is Stefan. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it and subscribe for future cool videos. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye for now.
Tuesday with Stefan.